Alright guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. We're continuing our build on our burnt RV. That's right, not the wrecked one, the burnt one. We're still going on that. We put that panel up and then basically the glue is looking really good. It's curing nicely, so we're gonna keep going with the roof. Get the other panel up there, get it all ready for primer. Because of that fire smell, we really want to sand it all down and spray primer that kills anti-smoke, whatever stuff there is. There's some special stuff to get that smell out, so we're gonna really get to every nook and cranny, get that smoke out. So hopefully it's gonna smell very mint, very, you know, fresh, like a new car smell or something. Hopefully it's gonna.
As long as there's no fire smoke.
Yeah.
You know, like we don't want to smell fire. We're at, at a campground.
Yeah, that's true. But let's keep going, guys. We still have a lot of work of us. We're definitely gonna get down and dirty, get it really prepped up for paint, primer. Let's get it done. All right, before I start getting the DA out and sanding all the cabinets, making a big mess in here, I'm gonna go ahead and cover up our engine, all the electronics, so that I want more dust and debris to get inside of there. So basically just cover plastic, any electronics, and just get that covered up, get it prepped up, and then start sanding. Alright guys, so I'm basically done with the sealing. Man, it was kind of a pain in the butt holding that D8 above my head the whole time. Definitely a workout, but honestly, yeah, I feel better, you know? It's like a workout that you make money, eventually somebody pays you. Anywho, that's done. Next thing to do is the cabinets. So this way basically everything, every surface area I'm gonna get it scuffed up. Any dark stuff I'm gonna go with probably 180, no, 80 and then 180 for everything else. So try to scuff it up and get it ready for primer. A lot of work, but it's definitely gonna be worth it. We're gonna seal everything up, so we're definitely gonna get rid of that smell. And honestly, I think it's gonna be better than before because it's gonna have a nice primer layer underneath everything.
Plus, we're going a different color. We're going what, white? White cabinets?
White, maybe like gray, more modern and cleaner style. Definitely updating this camper, so.
Kind of like the other camper, right?
Yeah, definitely. All the new ones are kind of like that whitish and dark gray or something. I don't know. Make it look good. So let's go ahead and keep going and get everything else sanded down. All right, guys, so I did not like how that was turning out at all, and I just came back from the store and it looks like I didn't paint anything at all. That's insane. Where did all my paint go? Wow. So yeah, I tried first a primer gun, then I tried that second whatever paint gun. It didn't work at all. So I went to Lowe's. I bought some new Kilts primer, and I got a new gun. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that all set up and go at it again, because that's crazy. Didn't like the results and disappeared anyway, and I have a lot more work to do. So let's get this new gun set up with the new primer and go at it again. Alright guys, so I'm done painting myself. No, I'm just kidding, but yeah, it's everywhere. I hope this stuff comes off, not gonna lie. But wow, what a battle struggle, because we had that first primer gun and the second gun, and now that thing was amazing for sure. It's definitely worth the money. I loved it. It sprayed fantastic. I got it done in no time compared to the last one, was just kind of barely spraying, but it's looking really nice. I'm really happy how it turned out. It's not really running that much. I mean, I'll probably do a little second coat here or there, but man.
What about the smell, Michael? Do you smell fire or do you smell paint?
Oh, I smell the kilts for sure. I mean, I was going kind of everywhere. I think every nook and cranny, re-primered, resealed, you know, get that smell out for sure, so it's not going to come from underneath, because we got it down to the bare bone, to the frame, so that's nice. Looking good, but that's all the time we have for today, guys. Thanks for staying tuned. We're definitely going to continue going at it, but catch you next time.